Welcome, this is Anita Daniel here, and let me tell you, this is my first video, so please pardon me if there is any errors or if there is any flaws in this video. So this video is all about Amazon unpacking. I did do some shopping in the latest Amazon Diwali sale, so I thought let me just share the video with you or share the product review with you, which might be helpful for you in the future if you're thinking to purchase something. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now, I forgot to tell you, I'm not going to do the cutting of the wrapper, just opening it out from the packet. I'm not going to do that. I've already opened the packet. The product was very I'm doing this review only because I like the product. I opened the packet, I like the product, so that's the reason I'm doing this video, thinking it would be useful for you. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm sure you guys would have ordered from Amazon, and this is the wrapper we got it from, and surprisingly it was a bubble wrap, and I really liked it, and I was really surprised with the packet. Otherwise it could be a plain plastic wrapper, but this time it was a bubble wrap. So, and this is the skirt, and so it's a beautiful pink color which has a thin silver gold border. If you see the material, it's a silk. I think it's a raw silk if I'm not wrong, and it has a thin zari border at the bottom. And the best part about the skirt, which I really liked, is the color. Obviously I seen the color, it said hot pink, and it's really hot pink, and it's really bright and beautiful. It's not that bright as what is seen, but it's a beautiful pink what I see in person. And the description says it will fit up to 38 to 40 waist size, and looking at it, it is only up to 36 or 38 waist size. Obviously, I think I forgot to mention, I'm a double XL person, so obviously this is not going to fit me. My waist is bigger than this, so obviously it's not going to fit me here. But I love this skirt so much. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wear it like a high waist skirt. Okay, I'm going to show you how I'm going to wear this skirt in my upcoming video maybe. So this video is purely about the unpacking, so I'm going to help you understand how the skirts look. This skirt comes with a lining. This does not have that much of flare. This is a small flare lining. However, if you look at the skirt, and the length of the skirt is also pretty lengthy. Even if I wear it in the high waist, it's just going to touch the floor. So I'm really happy with the length of the skirt and the flare of the skirt. According to the description, it is 7.5 meters. Come on, who sells the skirt with this much of flare? I do have experience with Amazon shopping where the description says something else and we end up getting something else, but this is really, really beautiful. And let me also tell you, there was no review for the skirt, and there was no rating as well. Why I purchased this? Because I like the brand. The brand is Studio Singar. I think many would have shopped ready-made blouses from that brand. We get really beautiful ready-made blouses. And by the way, let me tell you, the brand is not sponsoring me, or the website is not sponsoring me. This is purely my video. I thought this product is really beautiful, so maybe it can help any of you guys. So that's the purpose of this video. And yeah, you can also check out their ready-made blouses. It's really pretty, and the material what they use is also good, and the fitting also is really pretty. And especially for plus size people, you should go ahead and check out their blouses. And yeah, So how I'm going to wear this, I'm planning to wear this as a fusion wear. I'm going to wear this skirt as a high-waist skirt along with a top, a western top, and I'm going to match it with ethnic dupatta or a lehenga dupatta, so that would give a fusion look. Maybe in the future, in case if I wear it with an sari blouse and a lehenga dupatta, making it look like a lehenga, I'm going to share that video as well. So I'm going to wear this for an office party, Diwali festival at office. So I'm going to show you a couple of videos in the future how I'm going to do this fusion wear and how I'm going to do makeup along with it. So please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please like it and press the notification button to get the future videos how I'm going to match this skirt with different tops and how I'm going to do a makeup look for this dress. Okay, and I also bought a jewelry set from Amazon, which I'm going to share it in a different video. So stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Nice meeting you guys. See you.